Okay, there's been a lot of conjecture about the use of live animals in circuses. I'm at Stardust Circus, which is currently camped at the showgrounds of Coffs Harbour. And I'm both a trained animal behaviourist and I'm also an animal communicator. I've been here about 5 minutes. The overall atmosphere here is very calm, very quiet. There's a whole group of horses standing here, a whole group of horses grazing just here. We're really calm. There's no signs of obvious stress in them. They're not in a tight group, which indicates they're feeling very comfortable. They're eating. There's no, their heads are down. There's no wariness about them. It's very comfortable. It's very calm. So there's absolutely no example of these horses being stressed at all. They're in a fairly nice big enclosure. It's not as big as a paddock, but it's a fairly decent size. I have no way of knowing how many hours they spend on tour as against off tour and where they go off tour. So I'm not prepared to comment on that. What I am commenting on is the fact that right here, right now, they're terrific. There's water containers, there's a nice bit of shade. They're all very calm.